This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Westley. This property has great bones, sound structure, and loads of potential. This home offers an open floor plan, spacious bedrooms, enclosed sunroom, 3 full bathrooms, gas-lit fireplace, and a big backyard. The master bedroom is huge. Please bring your HGTV and home renovation ideas, as the property still has a 1960s decor. There has been a home inspection done on the property recently with a written report by a licensed home inspection company available for review. This property is being sold as is. The sellers will make no further repairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Westley at 972-293-4567.